Hi guys, welcome to Leo the Beekeeper. I'm making up some brood frames at the moment, and so I thought I'd share some tips and tricks with you. So to beginners out there, you might come across problems like this where parts of your frame don't properly fit because one bit of the wood is bigger than the other. So what you might have to do is sand in between these kind of edges. So what I do and what I found was, if you grab yourself a bit of sandpaper, stick it on a bit of thin wood or thin stick which you actually get with your frames, and literally sand in between the notch, and it'll fit over that part of the wood, and it'll basically save your side frame from having a hairline crack, or it might even crack if you don't do this. So it's actually good practice to do this so your frame actually lasts for the next few seasons. Hopefully that helps you, and yeah, talk to you soon.